Welcome to Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, a coastal gem like no other. Known for its stunning 120-kilometer-long beach, Cox's Bazar holds the title of the world's longest natural sea beach. Whether you're here for a peaceful retreat or an action-packed adventure, this place has it all. Imagine walking on golden sands with the soothing sound of waves in the background. As the day ends, witness nature's masterpiece. The breathtaking sunset over the Bay of Bengal is something you'll never forget. But Cox's Bazar is more than just its beaches. Dive into its vibrant local culture, explore bustling markets, discover handmade crafts, and enjoy the fresh catch of the day from local fishermen. For those seeking adventure, there's no shortage of excitement. Go parasailing, embark on a boat ride to St. Martin's Island, or take a hike through Himchari National Park, where nature's beauty comes alive. Cox's Bazar is just one of many treasures in Bangladesh, a country rich in diverse landscapes. From the lush tea gardens of Sylhet to the historical wonders of Dhaka and the serene beauty of the Sundarbans, Bangladesh offers something for every traveler. As the sun dips into the horizon, the Bay of Bengal transforms into a sea of molten gold, each wave shimmering under a sky painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's not just a sunset, it's a soul-stirring spectacle of nature. Cox's Bazar isn't just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Whether you're unwinding on the beach or discovering the local sights, every moment here feels magical. Plan your visit to Cox's Bazar and explore the endless wonders of Bangladesh.